Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to enable copy paste from host to Hyper-V virtual machine in Windows 10 or 11 computer. By default, Hyper-V does not allow direct clipboard sharing between the host and guest operating system. To fix this, you need to enable enhanced session mode. Here in Hyper-V Manager, click on Hyper-V settings on right pane. Then under enhanced session mode policy, click allow enhanced session mode, and then you also need to enable enhanced session mode under user settings. Now when you connect to your virtual machine, you can copy paste text between host and guest OS just like normal. That's it. Your Hyper-V copy paste issue is solved. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Windows tutorial.